right, next one seems to be another Elden Ring one.
I see we're getting a pattern
Yeah,
of.
they did a good job with the hair in this game.
Okay.
Shit looks pretty good. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Next one, it's all I can see on there, the thumbnails, it's a car, so let's take a look here. Excuse me, what?
Was that a laugh?
I don't know if that was a laugh or more like, what did I just see?
Was that a dog?
How was the dog? Okay, I'm gonna give you the point because I believe I did laugh. All I saw was a dog's face and heard a slam sound.
I'm pretty sure that dog tried to jump at the owner and it missed and then hit the garage door. That's the sound of somebody face planting into a garage door.
That absolutely is. Okay, Coco and I are tied right now.
2-2. Let's go.
Now, dog ones get me all the time. No offense, buds. Okay, so the next one is a YouTube video.
Oh boy.
And oh hey, I'm actually in this short.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for it to be shared.
You ready?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, because there's me. It says eat and direct.
I didn't get teleported for the cat though. I was just kind of there. Shit.
Oh, that's me and Switch.
It is you and Switch. Technically, you laughed.
This me didn't laugh. That me did because I witnessed him get slammed by the fanatic.
Imagine not being subscribed to Toast.
Well, in all fairness, as you can see by this emote from Eat Interact, that's my personal account there.
Ah. Emo to interact?
Emote to interact, absolutely. All right, the next one is a Twitch clip. And again, submitted by Toast. Oh, this clip. Yeah, you can also hear my voice in this clip as well.
I'm still waiting for it to be shared.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
And this is from our pal Peachy Quartz, who is a mod in our live streams.
Oh, it's this game.
And Peachy just obliterates Toast there for the victory.
Oh.
Good job, Peach. Good job.
Oh, that's why I hate that game.
The next one is a Markiplier video. It's on YouTube here, so let's go ahead and open that up. Hey, guys. Excuse me, what? Okay. Hey, guys. Markiplier just died.
Oh.
This one's another YouTube short. It's called It's a Hot Dog Nothing Else.
Okay.
I feel like this one might be edited just by that name.
Okay.
I feel like I would also be throwing hands if somebody did that to me.
Okay. I thought we were going to have to censor that video.
I did too. Luckily, it's just a hot dog. It's just a hot dog. Nothing else. All right, another YouTube video here.
That was pretty funny.
Wait a second. Nothing's under control.
Nothing's under control.
Uh-huh. I don't like that
What
top.
the fuck is?
I don't like that top left video.
Oh, that's from Paranorman when he's brushing his teeth there.
Okay, well,
what's underneath it though with pan pizza? I don't know what's going on.
Okay, well, I'm just saying that top left one looks kind of sketch too.
Yeah. I'll just put up a censor on those two.
Or just censor
This
the whole
video is
end.
going to be heavily censored.
Yeah.
All right, this one's called Rats When They See a KFC Deep Fryer.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, it's only a second long. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know why. Just that one almost broke me for some reason. I really don't know why. That should not have been funny. All right, the next one is called Ehehehehe. So let's see. It is a YouTube clip.
Fuck up, you gentrified potato! Cock blaster, stop talking! That's my fucking fettuccine! I get it, my mom didn't want me! But does he think K is a valid reply? He left the pickles on my McDonald's burger again! I'm going feral. Shut the fuck, Amethyst! Shut the fuck! You peed on my what?
There's
My
so
mom
many
issues
F-bombs
are
in this.
my issues. You can't kin a verb! Yes, I can! You can! I'm going to eat your ass metaphorically. Where is Connie? The fuck up, you gender.
What?
I have
happened?
more questions.
What happened
This-
in that one?
I don't know. It was a person throwing a tantrum, but they got a Kingdom Hearts 2 poster in the background. That's cool.
Oh yeah, now I noticed that.
That was the only thing I really picked up on there was they were wearing a Jack Skellington hoodie or jersey, whatever that is, and a Kingdom Hearts 2 thing, and they were throwing some kind of tantrum in the background. Okay. Let's see. What's the next one? Okay, it's another YouTube link. This one's called Reading My Discord DMs. It is a YouTube short.
What's the biggest animal you think you could take in a fight? Probably your mother. Fuckers stole Detroit. Can't have Detroit. Look how instinctively the mother croc carries the baby in its mouth. Nature is beautiful. Hot dogs and cereal. Is this a good combo? You're getting banned, by the way. Fuck zodiac signs. Where do you pee? I don't really like peeing at 1 because it's too loud, so usually 7 or 3. Is the dog A, sitting, B, standing, C, laying?
Yes.
How to get adopted? Change that fucking profile picture. You're beautiful. Wanna roleplay Ratatouille? Bro, I fed my nephew sand and he's vomiting like Sandman. What do I do? Tell him to drink some McDonald's Sprite.
You should follow me.
What's the biggest animal you think-
Okay. 7 or 3 as well.
2.
All right, the next one is a Twitter. At least I believe this
That
is
entire
Twitter.
video almost got me.
I was more confused than anything else.
You want to see something cool? Hey, you want to see something cool? Hey, you wanna see something cool?
So
I'm trying not to.
Markiplier's
I'm
teaming
trying
up
not to
with-
die over here. Okay, we're good.
You good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. The next one's another YouTube. All right, so here's our next one. Oh, it's just GIF, no sound. Okay.
You also didn't share it. I'm still looking at your Chrome.
Let me fix that for you. I had the dumb. Try that again. This, go live. There we
Marine
go.
biologists when they have to go to work. Oh, that's not how that works.
You sure? Because I mean, they're going to work.
I'm
They're working in the water.
Pretty sure that's how that doesn't work.
I don't know. All right, this next one's just a bunch of random gibberish as a name. So let's see. Not funny.
No.
No, totally not funny. Absolutely not funny whatsoever. I already see what the next one is, and I don't feel like you and I are going to laugh at it, but I know exactly what your reaction is going to be.
Oh, okay. What's my reaction
for
going to
the-
be? Or are you just going to...
Tito.
Sprigga, 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 Tito. Sprigga, 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 Tito. Sprigga, 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 Tito. Sprigga, Tito. Sprigatito. 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 Sprigatito.
The voice actress who did this did it so freaking well.
Yeah, you're right. I wasn't gonna laugh at that, but beep.
Yeah, the moment I saw it, I just saw the thumbnail and I knew exactly what it was. I was like, yeah, Coco's gonna be like, oh no.
Who put that in there?
That was Snap Bionics.
Okay. I'm gonna kick him.
Do it. All right, so this next one doesn't really have a title, but it's a drawing of a possum. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3.
That was just kind of cool looking.
It was like, is that what it's like when you get high?
Kind
Or is
of?
that acid?
I would say that's probably going to be more acid than being high.
Okay.
All right, so this next one, again, doesn't have a title, but Snap Bionics is the one who uploaded this one.
How not to hammer in a nail.
How not to hammer in a nail.
Now this is the proper way to hammer a nail. Insert.
What? How did you miss that bad?
Yeah, you would have to go out of your way to miss that bad.
Bro also broke his finger.
Yeah, he did. I get that's the joke, but still. All right, the next one, it shows a KFC drink cup as the thumbnail.
I'm gonna get a blast.
Whoa, blast.
Goddamn fucking fart. There you go. There you go. Points. You couldn't keep it back either. We're fucking still tied.
Oh,
dude,
my God.
that was wet.
I was fighting so hard until you said something.
Dude, I was done once I had to.
Okay, there you go, folks. If you want to make Gameboat laugh, it's
fart jokes. Fart jokes are always funny.
All right, the next one is called "Don't Buy It." All right, let me scroll back here a little bit. Don't buy it for me is what it says. So we got Steam here on the left. We have Discord on the right. Are you ready for this?
Oh no, yeah, let's go.
Oh, there we go. Furry girl puzzle.
Go back. Show me the photos. Don't buy it for me. No. No.
Is that it?
We all know why he didn't want to have it bought for him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Well then, I feel like that's gonna happen one day. Is you and I are gonna like jokingly buy one of those kind of games for a friend, and then we're just going to see that friend we're about to send it to as a joke already owns it.
Yeah, like Sex with Hitler.
Oh my gosh. I can't even believe that's a real thing. People are more mad that it's historically inaccurate.
He has too big of a penis, right?
Testicles.
Oh, yeah.
He had the wrong number of testicles.
He had 2, right?
Yeah, he had 2 when he was supposed to have 1.
The Uniballer. Okay.
All right. This one,
Is that a bat?
It looks to be some kind of weasel thing.
Is that it looks like it almost look like a bat. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
It was cute. I'll give it that. It was cute.
Keyword was. Now he's dead.
Yeah, I was going to say until he like shut down there. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, let's pause you. Drag you back. Let's enlarge it. Okay, so it looks to be like somebody's birthday. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Look. It's gay.
Did you?
Okay. Man's got a packing in his pants too.
Oh my god.
Is that
why are you looking there?
Is that a point for me?
I'm not giving you the point because the video didn't make me laugh. You make me laugh. All right, the next one. I can tell they downloaded it on Christmas Day of last year.
Okay.
Because it has the date on there for whatever reason. All right. All right, seems to be some kind of VR game. Oh, it's the Five Nights at Freddy's VR game, because that's Foxy.
Okay.
Foxy's leg receptor. Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times.
Uh-oh.
Nope. That's not good. I like that not disappointed, but the more scared, like, what do you mean keep an eye on him?
It slowly turns back. Oh, Foxy's gone.
All right, the next one I see a V for Vendetta mask, a Guy Fawkes mask.
Okay.
Helicopter.
Oh no.
Now you ready?
Yep.
Helicopter.
That guy's dead.
Oh my god. Turned into a human Beyblade there.
Wonder if he had high strength.
Or something. Like, how old is that kid?
You'll never know. The mask hides the age. The mask adds about 10 years.
Right. With the mustache goatee combo. The next one shows a cat with a microphone. All right, here we go. Goodbye.
Goodbye, kitty.